Oh, a bag of trash right to the face. Ouch, that gotta hurt.
Garbage Family Show.
Hey, Garbage Family Show friends. Have you ever thought about how big our planet is? Looking at this, it seems hard to believe that wherever you go in the world, someone somewhere is throwing away trash, and someone is collecting it. This is a quick video about some of the garbage trucks around the world. Maybe you'll see your garbage truck in this video. Let's start in America first, since that's where I live. Like everybody else does in the world, you have to get your trash prepared to get collected. And that's what me and my sister are doing.
Do you know what truck is coming to pick up our garbage can?
I don't. Maybe it's a different one. So I've never seen that truck before.
It's not coming, guys. I'm trying.
Can I help you? Good job, Gracie. You did it.
Now next, you have to empty my garbage can.
Okay, let's lift the lid up. Gracie, can you lift the lid off that?
Okay.
Are you tall enough?
Yes.
Oh, this one over here.
Oh.
I don't think you're tall enough, but Daddy can help you. Here, Daddy help.
Where do you go? Oh, hey, Dad, I'll come.
In and out part.
Hey, Dad, I'll come do that.
You're not gonna do that?
Now let's check out Anaheim, California, near Disneyland. They use Republic Services garbage trucks.
Hey kids, we're going to Disneyland, but on our way we found a Star Company garbage truck picking up brown bins.
We're in Anaheim, California, on our way to Disneyland, and we found a garbage truck picking up the brown bins. And of course, we have to follow that.
Yeah.
Disneyland's gonna have to wait. Look at that, kids.
I'm gonna get a closer look. I'm gonna put my window down and hear him.
Okay.
Me too.
Wow. Is that better than Disneyland, Roman?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it isn't.
Oh,
Yes,
Gracie
I
says
remember.
no.
But Grace, this is actually a real life truck. Are you kidding me, girl?
Okay, that's Anaheim.
Look
Now
at
let's
that.
check out New York City. That garbage can is super full, but he just tosses it in. Reminds me of my toy New York City garbage truck. Now let's go around the world, everybody. First stop, the streets of Cambodia. Cambodia is located on the continent of Asia, just south of China. They just grab trash bags and toss it into the rear loader. Everywhere you go, there's garbage being taken out. That bag looks really heavy, but they're strong. Time to compact the trash. Look at this garbage truck in the jungle. Did you notice the guy riding on the back? That looks fun. And now we're in a busy area of Istanbul, Turkey. Watch for the garbage truck on the bottom of your screen. Do you see it yet? There it is. I like the graphics on this side. Here's some garbage collection in the city of Kiev, in the Ukraine. We hope for peace in this country. Here's a top view of them emptying 2 cans. I like this view. This is what trash collecting looks like in Paris during the early hours of the morning. I like their green and yellow bins. I bet it's a little harder collecting trash in the dark. And here we are in in Spain. Oh, a bag of trash right to the face. Ouch, that gotta hurt. I think I would look for a new trash teammate after that. Still, it's kind of funny. They still have a lot of trash left on the sidewalk. They could use a skid steer like we use in America. That's a good looking truck, and I like how it matches their uniforms. No trip around the world of garbage trucks is complete without a stop at the dump. This one is in the Ukraine. We'll close out with the video of my hometown truck.
Hey everybody, this is Gracie. Please tap that subscribe button and give this video a like. Also, subscribe to our other channel called Gamer Family Show. We have fun playing video games on that channel. You'll like it.
Shout out to King Max 3rd. He follows us on Gamer Family Show and connected to us on Roblox. Thanks for watching Garbage Family Show, friends.